Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2003 Yamaha YZF-R1. We're going to take a walk around this superbike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This limited edition is in excellent shape, very clean. As you can see, it does have a few scratches on it, which I will go over and show you. We have one small dent in the tank right there. Scrape there on the front, a little scraping there on the mirror. This bike does have a tinted windscreen. Basically like new tires. This bike also has a steering stabilizer on it. And as you can see, the rest of the tank is in good condition, no chips. No big gouges, dings. Frame slider, and as you can see, the limited edition red flames. The bike also has an aftermarket pipe on it. And an undertail kit. Here's a shot of the back tire that's almost new also. Very few miles on it. Bike's got 12,006 miles on it. So low miles for its age. This bike has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you're going to get a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping at simplystreetbikes.com.